start the recording. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा रीअरेंजमेंट करना पड़ेगा. I'll split this one also. Edge ring utilities and split. Now whenever you split, this is a flat edge, so you need to move it to form the curve. Okay, connect them. Let's see. Switch. And this one. Switch. Okay. Also, we need one edge over here. It's stretching out too much. So यहाँ पे हम insert तो करेंगे, but this time while inserting the insert edge tool, just turn on this insert with edge flow option so that it gives us the curve by itself. Okay. Go to your vertices and then try to match the curvature of the headlight. Okay, fine. Let's continue. नीचे का part. I'll select these edges, all three of them. Let's say Control E, drag them down. यहाँ तक. I'll go to my edges. I'm getting a call from our HOD. I'll just be back in a moment. I'll pause the recording. Resume the recording. Okay, fine. So now what we can do is we can drag this portion inside. Control E, move tool, and just drag it inside. So if you see the reference, see this going inside from here, which is connecting again to this part. Okay. So now let's just make the connection between these two. Let's pull it apart a little bit. This can go with this one, connect with this one. This can connect here. So we need to insert an edge loop over here. Then this can come rotating around this and we can create this part. Okay. Okay, let's worry about that later on. So for the time being, what I can do is I'll go to my insert edge loop tool. I'll reset my setting because I don't want any kind of curvature over here. I just simply want to insert my edge. So now what I can do is I'll go to my vertex and select my vertex, target well tool, and I'll just target them. Now if you see, if I press the 3, see it's going inside now. Okay, this is what we have now. Okay, you might have to watch the video again and again, but that is fine. No? Okay, so I'll just go to my vertex and pull it here. यहाँ पे भी सामने लेके आता हूँ. I'll go to my edge, Control E, and we can start creating this flow. Okay. Again, this flow will come here and get connected with the lower part. So we can continue this edge also. Select this edge, I'll pull it down, select this edge, Control E, and pull it to the center. Drag it. Also match it from the front view. Just drag it to the center, scale it, straighten it up, and then I can just, okay, fine. Now it's going completely flat, so we need to insert edges. I'll go to my split, insert a center edge, and then I can go to my top view to maintain the curve. This is my curve, let's say. Okay. Go to my vertex, pull it up. I go to my edge, select, bring in split. Okay, one more over here. Okay, seems fine. Okay, let's continue this edge. Check it from this side, press 5, and rotate this outward. Just Control E. Control E. Now here we can flatten things up. We can just start. Go to my edge view and Control E. Pull it. completely flat down. Okay, now we can just connect them. I'll just select this two and bridge. Same here. Press G to repeat the last command. I can hit G over here. See how it's filling up. Okay. Okay, now let's fix this part. Select this to Control E, pull them out. Let's just connect them. Go to my vertices. One. Okay. Target weld. Target weld. And what we can do is we can add one here. I think it's needed. Let's see. इन दोनों को कर देते हैं bridge, and we have a. Okay, so what we can do is connect from here, right? Okay, let's see. We have a 5-sided polygon over here, so that might be an issue. So we need to find a solution. Let's see. If I drag one from here, I can drag one from here. Okay. So let's say we can add one more edge over here. So before that, I'll just do some spacing ताकि वहाँ पे मैं add कर सकूँ. Okay. So now what we can do is also maintain the curve. Yeah. Split, and now I can go to my edge, bridge. Okay. So this space we have filled in. Fine. Now this part. We can add one from here. Go to here. Okay. Let's first just fill this space. How can we fill it? We can just select the entire edge loop, and we can go to mesh and fill hole. Next, we can go to our multi-cut tool and we can just cut it. I will just connect it here. I'll remove this edge. I don't need it anymore. I'll go back to my multi-cut tool and then we can cut it here. See, these are unique situations, not necessarily we will face it every time. but when you face it, you have to figure out a solution. Okay. Yeah. Oops. This one. Let's address this one. Okay. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can add one over here. Let's try. Split. We also have to add one over here because it's stretching way too much. Let's try that one first. Split. Okay. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. I'll just select them and do a bridge over there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we can have a split over here. Select this two, bridge, and select this two and bridge. 3. Yep, it's working. Nice. Just do the spacing part over here. Pull it down. Okay. So let's complete the bonnet part and this things. What we have. I'm not going to make every detail, but I'll just show you how you can achieve the details. Okay, for every part you can do the same process. I'll just follow our reference. Okay. So now, first of all, let's separate this part. Why I am separating this? Because I need to insert more edges and I need to extrude and do a couple of more things to achieve the design that we have over here. So if I insert edge loops and everything right now, so the edge loops will continue to the other parts also, which might be unnecessary. So I'll just select only the bonnet part and then we can go to our edit mesh, detach, mesh, and separate. So now we have a separate part. Modify and center pivot. Okay, this is a separate part now. First thing I'll do is I'll create a boundary. Let's select the entire edge flow and control E and I'll move it. This time I'm not switching to my normal move tool. I'll just use my Z axis from the universal manipulator. Okay. I will also isolate this part for the time being. If I press 3, it's quite smooth now. So let's tighten it up. And now I'll remove these faces because we don't need them because we are going to copy this on the other side. So we don't need these center faces. Okay. I'll go to my insert edge loop tool and reset my tool and I can add one edge over here. Now if you press 3, you can see we have nice sharp corner flowing to the entire part. Okay, then we have a cut over here. It's not a cut, but it's a bump and it's well defined by this edge. It's not too tight, it's kind of soft, but it's there. So let's do that. I'll go to my edge flow, insert edge loop tool. I'll insert my edge over here. Just इसके सामने ही add करते हैं insert. Okay, now if I press 3, it's more prominent. And if I add one more over here, let's it becomes more prominent. See, it's there. Okay, fine. Let's move on to these. Okay, I'll go to my top view and let's see. I'll select all of my faces यहाँ से लेके पूरा यहाँ तक. Extrude them. Control E. Press 1 because 3 करोगे तो ये स्मूथ व्यू में दिखाएगा, तो press 1 स्ट्रेट उसको ऊपर लेके जाते हैं. Let's check in our front view कहाँ तक जाना है. Let's say यहाँ तक, and इसको थोड़ा सा सामने की तरफ टिल्ट करते हैं to maintain the edge flow. Okay. Next, if you see, ये यहाँ पे जाके कहीं पे ना खत्म हो रहा है. It's extruded in the center. Most of the extrusion is here. And यहाँ आते आते भी खत्म हो रहा है. It's merging, and there also it's kind of merging down. So how do you do that? You just target well the vertices over here. Merge vertices, target weld, and just target weld them. Yep, done. I will go to my edges, and also I'll just pull them down. So that we can get the feel that it's extruding down gradually, not all of a sudden. So this nice arc going on here, and it's flattening up here. Then we'll do the same thing over here. Merge vertices, target weld. Be careful while using this merge vertices option. If you have any previous vertices selected, that will also get merged down over here. So just deselect all the vertices, then apply the option. Okay. Let's check out from the top view. कहाँ पे है? Okay. We need to move our vertex and edges over here so that we can get this space. Also, we don't need this center faces जो कि extrude करने पे आया था. Let's delete this. I'll just delete them. We have this weird dent over here. पता नहीं ये कैसे हुआ है. Let's just fix it. Yeah, it should go up there. Okay, I'll select my faces now, both of these faces, and extrude them. Control E. Move to my scale view. Scale mode में जाके and then I'll press D and अपना manipulator यहाँ पे set करूँगा ताकि यहाँ से वो scale हो, because otherwise वो center से चारों तरफ से scale करता. So just to scale it from this side, I'll just scale it because we have this line which is going till here. Just before scaling, let's do one more step. Let's predefine this line. How can we predefine it? We'll go to our insert edge loop tool and we can just insert one edge over here. I'll just insert an edge. Okay, now we already have that line. Now we can just simply extrude them downwards. Okay, I'll delete this center faces and we can just simply pull these edges up to create that मर्जिंग पॉइंट जहाँ पे वो मर्ज हो रहा है. Okay, now if I press 3, we have this. Now you just need to tighten up your edge flow. So I'll just go to my insert edge loop tool. Let's tighten things up. So I know here यहाँ पे मुझे एक यहाँ पे रखना है सामने और एक इधर से सामने रखना है ताकि ये कॉर्नर मुझे मिल जाए. देन एक मुझे रखना है यहाँ पे एंड एक रखना है मुझे यहाँ पे. अच्छा, इधर से रखने से पहले ना इधर का एड्रेस कर लेते हैं एक बार. द थिंग इज जब भी हम इतने सामने सामने रखते हैं ना, इट क्रिएट्स अ शार्प लाइन, राइट? So the sharp line is necessary over here, but it's not needed over here. So यहाँ पे भी एक sharp line जैसा create हो जाएगा because the edges are too much nearby. So what we can do is we can pull them apart. यहाँ से we can go to our multi-cut tool and I'll just redefine my edge position. I'll just go from here and यहाँ तक आ जाते हैं. So अब मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ, ये जो edge है ना इसको delete कर देता हूँ. So this edge is now continuing from here. Similarly, we'll take my multi-cut tool and यहाँ से इसको दूर कर देते हैं. And I can select this edge and delete. So now they are far apart from each other. So you can come here and later you can just maintain the edge flow a little bit better. Press 3. Now you can see we have a sharp line over there. Again, I'll go back to my insert edge loop tool and insert my edges over here. Keep one over here, one over here, another one over here, and one over here. If I press 3 now, I can see this sort of. Okay, and then you can come back and improve your edge flows and all wherever you feel like. Okay, so I'll just come back from my isolation view. So that's the bonnet part, and this is the gapping. This is because we are not in the smooth preview. If I press 3, it will completely match up with that part. Now we have just one final part. Okay. Oh, okay, it's continuing till here, so you can do that also. सेपरेट करने से पहले इनफैक्ट यहाँ पे अगर एज फ्लो हम डाल देंगे जैसे यहाँ पे इंसर्ट किया था एंड पहले एक्सट्रूड करके बाद में हम अगर इसको सेपरेट करें देन वी कैन अचीव दिस वन आल्सो. यहाँ तक जो आ रहा है जनरली इट वाज आई थिंक इट वाज नॉट देयर इन द रेफरेंस. या इट्स नॉट देयर इन द रेफरेंस, तो इसीलिए मैंने नोटिस नहीं किया. ओके, बट ठीक है, फाइन. आई होप यू आर गेटिंग इट कैसे करके करना है. सो दिस इज द सेम टेक्निक दैट यू विल अप्लाई इन द ऑल द पार्ट्स जहाँ पे भी हम सेपरेट करेंगे. ठीक है, जैसे लाइक यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी 3 पार्ट्स है हमारे पास. इसको थोड़ा सा और एज को एडजस्ट करके देन वी कैन जस्ट एक्सट्रूड देम. फॉर एग्जांपल इसको सिलेक्ट करते हैं इस पार्ट को. आई गो टू माय दिस फेस एंड इसी को अगर मैं एक्सट्रूड करूँ इन प्लेस यहाँ पे स्केल करके वी कैन गेट दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग्स एंड देन वी कैन जस्ट मैनिपुलेट आवर शेप. बट उससे पहले हमें एजेस को थोड़ा सा शेप में लाना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, एंड जहाँ पे भी यू नीड टू होल्ड योर शेप, you just need to insert more edges. So you can now you can try the rest of the parts yourself. Try at least. Okay. I think we are running out of time now. So आज का यही तक रहने देते हैं. Just finish this part. Also complete this. This is actually challenging. ये जगह पूरा complete करना. It has a lot of curvature. And also the edge flow is going from inside and outside from everywhere. So try it and yeah. Anybody has any doubt? We still have 2.5 minutes. Guys, any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, ठीक है. So I'll just upload this on YouTube and I'll just share the link and you guys can just try it.
Okay, sir.
Cool. Okay. So should I need to
Okay, sir.
speed up a bit, or the speed is okay? The classes and all.
No, sir, it's proper.
The speed is fine.
It's fine, right? And you guys are if you guys face any trouble, just let me know on WhatsApp or however you can just contact me. Yeah. Okay. But you have to try. You have to try. That's the only way. Okay, then I'll save my file. Control S. Continue. Okay. Okay, then see you guys tomorrow then. All right. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank